This is the all-new 2018 Lexus S Saloon, the replacement for the soon-to-be phased-out GS 4-door executive rival to the BMW 5 Series, Audi A6 and Jaguar XF saloons. The new S was unveiled at the 2018 Beijing Motor Show. It's the first S generation to be sold in the UK and Western Europe and uses Toyota/Lexus Global Architecture-K platform, making it longer, lower and wider than the preceding S that's been sold up to now in markets like the US and Russia. It's just a smaller LS. That's the look Lexus is going for, yes. The new K platform allows for a lower bonnet loom than before, which Lexus says gave the designers more freedom to be creative with the front-end styling. At the rear, the S's family genes with the LS limo continue, with sharp LED relights, chrome trim shaped to look like exhausts on the new F Sport model and around its spoiler. What's the UK engine range? Just one for now, the S300 It's a 2.5-litre Atkinson cycle petrol-electric hybrid producing 212 bhp and good for a claimed 60.1 miles per gallon according to Lexus. Other markets in Europe, particularly Eastern Europe and Russia, will be able to choose from S200, 250 and 350 petrol engines. There's no diesel option here regardless of market, in keeping with Toyota and Lexus plans to phase out the use of the black pump in its passenger cars. What about the S interior? Still familiarly Lexus. There's a 12.3-inch infotainment system operated by the brand's trademark, and slightly irritating, trackpad and digital dials. Lexus Safety System Plus, that includes things like cyclist detection and an adaptive high beam system. A high-end Mark Levinson audio system is available, too, and Lexus promises that rear passengers won't be shortchanged.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.